like you and I just let you walk right out of my life. After all I put you through, you still stuck around and stayed by my side. What really hurt me is I broke your heart, baby, you were a good girl and I had no right. I really wanna make things right, cause without you in my life, girl, I'm so